So what's up guys, welcome back to Dutch Cars. Today we have something special. We have a 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo from House of Cars. So first of all, big thanks to House of Cars for letting me review this Gallardo. I have to say the spec is amazing. It's a Spider, so it's really nice weather now, so that's perfect. Also we have the Superleggera wing at the back from carbon fiber actually. As you can see, some nice carbon fiber diffuser, and this has a special exhaust, so it's really loud. Also it's a naturally aspirated V10 with 535 horsepower at 8000 RPMs. It's not really comfortable, but yeah, Lamborghini is not really made for comfort. We have the Lamborghini bucket seats. We have the carbon fiber option on the steering wheel. And yeah, I think you guys want to hear it. So nice carbon fiber badging here, Gallardo. And let's just fire it up. Yeah, I have to say this is pretty funny. It's a Volkswagen key. So yeah, nice job, Lamborghini. So let's fire it up. Yeah, you can hear that it's not really stock. Yeah. What can I say about that? It sounds really good. So yeah, let's go for a drive guys. So I will let the top open. I hope you guys won't be bothered about the wind noise, but we will see about that. Safety first, of course. So brake off, and to put it in first gear you have to pull the right shift lever, and to put it in neutral you have to push both. And one thing that's really funny, the reverse button is all over here. I don't know why Lamborghini did that, just put it here or somewhere, but yeah, it's all the way over here. But yeah, nice Italian quality. So let's go. Yeah, first of all the sound. Oh, the sound is just such an amazing V10, naturally aspirated. Oh, that sound, holy shit. And the way this thing sticks to the road is just amazing. And the shifts are so freaking aggressive. It's really a race monster. Let's close the windows. Maybe that's a little bit of a difference. Let's see if this motorcycle runs to race. This thing is just such an experience. Holy crap. The sound this thing produces is just amazing. It's out of this world. And with the 535 horsepower, this thing really moves. One thing I have to say, when you put it in Corsa, the shifts are way too rough. You really get punched in your seat. I don't like that too much, but of course with the Aventador that's actually the same problem. So yeah, just leave it in normal mode and just do your thing with the pedal shifters. The response to the pedal shifters is actually pretty good. I didn't expect that. Actually pretty fast, and the downshifts are really loud. So let's go to the right. And the weather is so amazing. 27 degrees out. And the spider, actually, it's so nice. I still hope you guys can hear me good enough. I hope you don't get too much wind noise. I have the GoPro with the media mod, so that should solve it, but yeah, you never know. It's so freaking loud. And the downshifts alone. Also those upshifts are so loud. Yeah, again, big thanks to House of Cars for letting me review this car, because yeah, that's just an amazing experience. So big thanks to them. Don't forget to follow them, House of Cars, on TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. So go check them out, guys. I will put a link in my bio. But now just let's enjoy this Lamborghini. Oh, the weather is so nice today. I really didn't expect that. Next week we only have rain here, but this week it's all amazing. Oh, that sound! Oh gosh. Oh fuck, I love this thing. That's just crazy. Also this thing, the steering is really precise, and it drives, yeah, you can feel that it's really wide. You can feel that this is a big car, it's not small. Yeah, so guys, that was it for this video. Let me know what you think of this Lamborghini Gallardo, and let me know what car we should do next. That's also pretty easy. You can see over the back, because I don't have a backup camera. But yeah, who needs a backup camera in a Lamborghini Gallardo, right? So yeah, as I said, that was it for this video. Here in neutral. Let's give it some throttle. That sounded just crazy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for some really cool content, and see you on the next one.